In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reactivate your Yahoo Mail account quickly and easily. If your Yahoo email has been inactive, signed out, or you simply want to regain access to your inbox, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Many people think their account is gone forever, but in most cases you can reactivate it just by signing back in and verifying your details. I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get your Yahoo Mail working again in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to open your web browser and go to the official Yahoo Mail sign in page. You can do this by typing login.yahoo.com into your browser's address bar or by searching for Yahoo Mail login on Google and selecting the official Yahoo sign in page. Once the page loads, you'll see the Yahoo login screen where you can enter your email address to begin the reactivation process. Next, click on the field that says Enter Email Address. Here you need to type in the Yahoo email address that you want to reactivate. Make sure you type the full email address correctly, including the @yahoo.com part if it applies to your account. After entering your email address, click the next button to continue. Yahoo will then take you to the password page where you can verify your account ownership. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter the password associated with your Yahoo Mail account. Carefully type in the correct password for the account. If you remember your password, simply enter it and continue. If you don't remember your password, you can also use the Forgot Password option to recover access. But if your goal is simply reactivating an inactive account, entering your correct password should immediately allow you to continue. After entering your password, click on the next button to proceed. Once the login is successful, Yahoo will sign you back into your account. At this point, your Yahoo Mail account is essentially reactivated. To confirm everything is working properly, open your inbox and make sure you can view your emails. If you can access your inbox and see your messages, that means your Yahoo Mail account has been successfully reactivated and is ready to use again. And that's all it takes to reactivate your Yahoo Mail account. It's a very simple process that usually only requires signing back into your account with the correct email and password. If this video helped you reactivate your Yahoo email, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.